Good day, everyone. This is Mr. J, and I'm here to help you out with your math needs. So let's proceed with number 12, shall we? Which states, what is the probability that your birthday would randomly match the month and day of a stranger's birth date? Obviously, looking at the question, we pick up keywords. We have to know what the equation of a probability is, which I wrote on the board. The probability is the number of ways it can happen, which is the numerator, number on top, divided by the number of possible outcomes. Well, start with the denominator, meaning the bottom part, which is the number of possible outcomes. What are the number of possible outcomes in this case? This would be, how many days are in a year? 365 days in a year. And what would the number of ways it can happen? Meaning, going back to the question, what is the probability that your birthday would randomly match the month and day of a stranger's birth date? Well, how many times does our birthday occur? Once per year. Therefore, it'll be one day. It will match. So in other words, how many days would your birthday match someone else's birthday? Obviously, it's one day it will match in 365 days a year, because obviously you and that other person have a birthday once a year. Therefore, your final answer is the probability that your birthday would randomly match the month and day of a stranger's birth date would be one day out of 365. This is your final answer. Thank you very much for your time.